Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix contact couldn't save problem on Android. So if you're facing this problem, make sure to do watch the video completely, otherwise you can't get it perfectly. So first of all, what you're gonna do, whenever I try to save any contact, it will say like contact could not save and anything like that. So here I'm showing you a basic fix. So whenever you're trying to save a contact, and let's add a random number here, let's say okay. So now whenever I try to create a new contact here, make sure that you do not save your contact in your device, because it has a limit of 14 characters, and if you write more than 14 characters it will show you an error that contact could not save. So make sure that your contact must be in your Gmail account. So let's say I'm here, so it won't allow you to write more than 14 characters. So the best way to save your contact is to your Gmail account, because Gmail allows you to write more than 14 characters and any digit of numbers. So guys, this is the basic fix of your problem. So make sure that hit the subscribe button if you like the video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.